Our final project topic is anonymous chat between an author and his reviewers. This feature helps the reviewers to have their questions answered by the author. The reviewers can also refer to the previous chat logs while making the review.
The majority of web is based on HTTP. This means that the client should initiate a request on server response and connection is closed. During a live chat between two clients, if client 1 sends a message to client 2, the message reaches the server. How will the client 2 know that it should fetch the message from the server? So this is where WebSockets come into place. There are APIs that provide socket persistent connections between a server and a client. This will enable both server and client to send data at any time. There are various gems that implement this. We have choose sync and FAA gems after doing few POCs. FAA is a publish subscribe messaging system. Coming to the design, each assignment team has a single chat that we create after creating an assignment team. So in the after create method of assignment team, we create a chat. Each chat belongs to a team. So basically this team is an assignment team and has many messages. Each message belongs to a chat and it belongs to the user. This user is the user who has sent the message. So for fetching messages instantly, we basically use two tags. So this second tag points to a partial that gets updated whenever there is a new message, and the first tag displays all the older messages. For the instant messages to happen, we should start a rig server. We can use this command.
Now we will be giving a quick demo on using this feature. Firstly, consider this scenario. There are two reviewers, student 5899 and 5920 for the topic Refactor Tree Display Controller, and the author is student 6361. Now, we are in the account of the reviewer 5899. In others' work, he can see the topic of his reviews. In this chat box, he can provide the question that he has for the author. He has given the question to the author. Now let us impersonate the author's account to see this message. In the Your Messages link, the author can see the question by the reviewer. Here he can answer. As you can see, the answer appears in the chat box. Now let us impersonate the reviewer again. As you can see, the answer appears in the chat box of the reviewer. Now let us imagine there's one more reviewer, student 5920, for this project, who has the same question as the other reviewer. So let us impersonate him. Now, the reviewer, instead of asking the same question again, can refer to the answer which has already been provided by the author. So, this will help reduce redundant questions on the part of the reviewers and also help them collaborate while making a review. Since the chat is anonymous, the issue of bias is also removed. Now, we'll demonstrate the real-time chat feature of this project. The messages are sent instantaneously to the receiver with no delay. So let us see how it's done. Here, the reviewer can give a message to the author. If the author is online, he can receive it instantaneously in his chat window. As you can see, the message has appeared right away, and he can give another response to the reviewer. Which appears in the reviewer's chat box right away.